So if you're upgrading from a Canon DSLR like the 5D Mark III, 5D Mark IV, and you're upgrading to the Canon mirrorless R system, I'm about to save you a bunch of money. You're welcome. All right, so here's the thing. A lot of us longtime Canon shooters, we've amassed a big collection of EF glass, and when we upgrade to the RF system or the R system, it has an RF mount, and we have to get adapters to adapt the glass. Now, when the R6 and the R5 came out, the adapters flew off the shelves. You couldn't find them anywhere. Canon makes 3 of them. There's a regular like pass-through adapter. There's an adapter with a control ring, so you can control or customize it to whatever you want. And then the most exciting one was the adapter with the built-in ND filters, or the drop-in ND filter. So that was kind of fun. If you're a filmmaker and you don't want to screw NDs on the front of your glass, you have it at the back. But the point here is that those adapters were impossible to find after the R6 and R5 came out. Obviously, there's a parts shortage around the world, so a lot of electronics companies are having trouble keeping up with demand. So I took the chance and I bought this adapter here. This is by a brand JJC or JCC, JJC, a JJC adapter. And here is the regular pass-through Canon adapter, and they are virtually identical. Pretty similar. I got this Canon adapter when I got my EOS R back in, when was it, 2017. And then when I got my R5, I wanted a second adapter because I still had quite a few EF lenses and I didn't want to get caught on a photo shoot with a lens that I couldn't use. So I had to pick up a second one, and I've been using this JJC adapter for about a year now, because it's now August and I picked up the R5 in August last year. So it's been a year of use. And all right. So let's look at these 2 adapters. I'm going to give you my thoughts after 1 year of use. So the Canon adapter I bought with my EOS R in 2018. The JJC adapter I bought with my R5 last year. Actually, it was August 2020 when the R5 was launched. So I've been using the JJC adapter for about a year, and in terms of image quality that you get when using EF lenses on here or EFS lenses on here, there is no difference. They both work the same. You can't even tell. I just have these in my camera bag. I pop them on the camera whenever I need them, and I don't know which one's which, and there is no difference. In terms of video, there's no difference with autofocus, speed of autofocus. I haven't noticed any difference. Everything just works. It's fine. The one big difference here is the Canon adapter has a rubber gasket around it, so it is weather sealed, whereas the JJC is not. The JJC, however, has a tripod mount here, or tripod collar. I've taken it off. It's just 2 screws to unscrew it, so it does have that option if that's something you're looking for. But other than that, there is no difference. I mean, there is the dots on the Canon lens. You can see here the red dot for the EF mount and the white dot for EFS. And on the JJC, they're both white. So you have the white circle for EF and the white square for EFS. In fact, this is a square too. This is on that one. In final conclusion, would I recommend the JJC? Absolutely. If you don't need weather sealing, this is awesome. There is no difference between this and this. And I think there's a huge price difference. I think it's like 150 bucks difference. I'll have to pop the prices here. There are the prices between the two, and that's in US dollars. But yeah, if you're looking to save a couple bucks and then put those bucks towards investing in some RF glass, the JJC definitely works. I recommend it. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Links in the description if you want to pick these up from Amazon. It's an affiliate link, so I get a couple cents off the purchase. Doesn't affect your price, helps out the channel. So if you want to do that, definitely click on the links. And that is that. See you guys in the next video.